I feel stuck regarding my business, human design reader. I reach clients mainly through social media. I've never really been passionate about posting there. As a 2/4, it's hard for me to connect with strangers. My engagement is low at the moment. I'm super unmotivated. I've tried other channels to reach new clients, but nothing seems to work. It's never just flowing easy. It constantly feels exhausting. I love human design, sharing knowledge, and guiding people. My sacral is on fire, so I don't know what holds me back and why things are so hard all the time. Okay, so one thing I read in this question is that you get an absolute yes to human design, and I absolutely love that. So we have another triple split. Triple splits are not that common. We have quite a few today. Okay, triple split generator. So the 3457, it is partially unconscious. So again, this is the decision making. She is a sacral generator. The decision making is partially unconscious. Then we've got the 2551. So the G center connected to the ego heart center, and then the 4323, so the ajna and the throat. These are all individual channels, so you are highly, highly individual. And you have the cross of explanation and a 2/4. Okay. So the one thing that I think we can all be certain of from just the way you wrote about this is that you love human design and you love sharing your knowledge, and you are here to share your knowledge and to change the way people think. Like that is what your incarnation cross is here to do, is to change the way people think. You are probably naturally incredibly like gifted in your convictions in, with the 49. Gate 4, there can be doubt sometimes like around gate 4, 4323, these brilliant insights and epiphanies that you can share when the timing is right. So that part is really important. Timing when it comes to individuality is, timing is always a big deal, but when it comes to individuality, it's like individuality works in pulses. So all three of your channels are individual. With integration, centering, and the knowing circuit, they're all subcircuits of the individual circuit or thematic, and it moves in pulses. So sometimes like the knowing is there, something is there, and then it's not there. Nothing is happening, nothing is happening, nothing is happening, which can result in melancholy because you feel like nothing is happening, and then all of a sudden, boom, out of nowhere, there's an epiphany, there is a download, there is something to respond to that leads you in the right direction. So there's so much conditioning in the business world about how you have to market your business. Like if you're not really passionate about posting on social media, then it's not going to work. And I'm not saying get passionate about posting on social media because you're not passionate about it. It's not something that lights you up. And as a 2/4, we do want to be careful that like, I think sometimes we can use human design a little bit as like a limitation, like, okay, well, if you have a 4, then you can't post on social media because they're strangers. But the truth is the 4 in BG5 is actually the influencer. Like people on social media are only strangers until they're not strangers anymore. So I don't, if you have a 4 in your design, don't say, well, I can't use social media, because you can if it lights you up and you actually respond to it. And it sounds to me like you do not. So I'm curious about your network, because with the 4, your net worth is in your network. Are you with the right people? Are you doing any kind of networking that lights you up, that you feel excited about? Are you in any communities, either in person, in real life, or online, that you feel excited about? Are there people that you can collaborate with? So these are all just some things to like think about expanding your work, because when things really aren't flowing and easy, like we're in resistance, and a lot of times, especially if you feel frustrated a lot as a generator type, like if it's just frustrating and you're posting on social media and it's frustrating, that can indicate like you're not using your sacral. Like maybe you are following what somebody else told you should do and not saying yes to the things that you actually want to do. So yeah, those are some things to look into. We'll talk a little bit about the fears. So 43 in the Ajna Center is the fear of rejection, for, because your ideas might be too out there and too new. People might not be ready for them. 4 can be the fear of chaos, like you'll never figure it out. You've got 57, which is the fear of the future or the unknown. Gate 32, which is the fear of failure. And then also, I'm not even gonna get into all the solar plexus stuff, but there's a lot that might be overriding your actual sacral yeses and nos because the fears are causing your mind to potentially tell stories about why you can or cannot do something or why you should or shouldn't do something. So really coming back into that sacral, like yes and no, really learning to feel into what that is for you. Um, Quieting the mind when you can. Again, if you have a defined ajna, like you are designed to think, and that's okay, but just making sure it's not trying to figure out your life or trying to make decisions for you, because these epiphanies, these breakthroughs that come through for you are actually meant for other people, for the right other people, and especially in the right timing. Timing is super, super important here. And connecting with the right people. And as this triple split, again, I definitely recommend moving through different groups and networks and um, seeing what feels correct in those places.